Hello, good morning to everyone. I hope that you all are fine, children. Welcome to all of you. Today I will start chapter 11 and exercise 11A. Name of the chapter is geometry. So this is a very important chapter as well as it is very interesting chapter. So let us start today's video, exercise 11A. So first question is MCQ, multiple choice question, and we have to tick the correct answer. But rather ticking the correct answer, I will explain the options which are given in the question. Okay, so I will explain one by one. So let us start the first question, and the first question says, which of the following has a fixed length? Which of the following has a fixed length? So we have to tell that which of the following has a fixed length. Okay, so the options are a line. So first of all, let us understand what a line is. A line, when someone says a line, so it means an indefinite length of a line. We know we everybody knows what is a line. Okay, line is the distance between two given points. So when we say a line, so it means we have to make arrow both of its end. Okay, we have to make arrow at both of its end, and it does not have a fixed length. It does not have a fixed length. Why? Because this arrow denotes that this line is not stopping here, but the length of this line is till up till infinity, from this side and this side also. So if I explain you, it means that ये जो लाइन है इसकी लेंथ फिक्स नहीं है। ये जो एरोज मैंने बनाई हैं, ये एरोज शो करती हैं कि ये लाइन इस तरफ भी आगे बढ़ी है और इस तरफ भी एक्सटेंड हुई है। ओके, एक्सटेंड मीन्स आगे की तरफ बढ़ना। तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, हियर यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज अ लाइन। सो वी डिनोट अ लाइन by two arrows, and a line does not have a fixed length. It doesn't have a fixed length. Now let us understand the B option, which is a ray. So let us understand now what is a ray. A ray is a line which has one arrow on its end and it doesn't have any arrow on the other end. Okay, so we can say that it has one end point. This is the end point. ENDPOINT, this is the end point. Means this arrow is not going beyond this point, is not going beyond this point, but actually it is being extended from this side. That is why we have made an arrow here. Okay, so array also does not have a fixed length. It also does not have a fixed length because it has one arrow on one of its side. Now this option number C is a line segment. A line segment. So let us understand what is a line segment. Line segment is just denoted by a simple line. It doesn't have any arrow, so we do not use any arrow and any of its end. Okay, so it has two end points, one end point and the other end point. For example, this is the first end point, this is the other end point. While a row array has only one end point, but a line segment has two end points. So a line segment, we can say it has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. Okay, so this is the right option. Now question option number D is a point. So what is a point? Point is a simple dot which does not have any length, any breadth, or any height. So I hope you understood all the four options: a line, a ray, a line segment, and a point. So a line segment has a fixed length, and line and ray does not have a fixed length, and a point doesn't have any length, any breadth, or any height. Okay, so option C is correct. Now let us do the second question. Second question says classify the following rays, lines, and line segment, also name them. So part A is a line XY. So this is a line, okay, and this is X point, this is Y point. So okay, these are not small letters, these are capital letters. So make capital letters X and Y. Now we have to name this line or line segment or ray. So first of all, tell me, it is a line or line segment or it is a ray? So of course it has two arrows, so it is a line, it is a line. Okay, लाइन को कैसे पहचानेंगे? लाइन के दोनों एंड्स पर एरो बना होगा. So it is a line and the name of this line is x y. And when we write a line, so what we do, we have to make this sign, okay, above xy. So this is a line xy. Now the next part is B, which is AB. Okay, so this is AB. Fine. So this is AB. This point is X. Sorry, this point is A, and this point is B. So what is this? Is it a line or line segment or ray? So it is a line segment. Why it is a line segment? Because it does not have any arrow. Line segment. Okay, so how to write it? We will write it AB and dash, or we can also write it BA dash. Whether you write it AB or you can write it BA also, but don't forget to write this dash. Okay, and you can write this one YX also. You can write it XY or YX also, but don't forget to make the sign of line. Okay, now let us do the C part of this question, which is this one. Okay, you have to draw all these figures in your copy. So this is E and this is point F. So what is this? Is it a line? Is it a line segment or a ray? So this is a ray. How to identify a ray? A ray has only a ray has arrow sign only one of its end. So this is a ray and we can write it EF. Okay, EF, and make a sign of arrow above EF, but don't write it FE. If you will write FE, so it will be wrong. It is written as only EF. Okay, and rest of the parts D, E and F you will do on your own in your copy. Okay, so let us do now the third question, which says write true or false. Part A, array has a definite length. Array has a definite length. I'm not writing the question, but you have to write the question in your copy. Okay, you have to write the sentence. So array has a definite length. I have told you array does not have a definite length because it is extending infinitely on one of its end. So this is false. B, a line cannot be drawn fully on a piece of paper. A line cannot be drawn. Okay, so the question is saying a line cannot be drawn fully on a piece of paper because we know that uh, a line has no endpoint and it has two arrows, so it means it's being extended from both of the side. So of course a line has infinite uh, distance. Okay, sorry, a line has infinite length. So if it has infinite length, so we cannot draw it on paper. So this is true. C, a ray has one endpoint, so of course this is the endpoint of the ray. This is true. A ray has only one endpoint. Okay, and D, a line segment has no endpoint. So this is a line segment. Sorry, this is a line segment, and as you can see, it has two endpoints. It has how many? Two. Number one endpoint, number two endpoint. And the question is saying segment, a line segment has no endpoint, so this is false. And E, a plane has a fixed boundary. Plane has a fixed boundary. No, plane doesn't have a fixed boundary. Okay. For example, as you can see, this is a plane. This is a plane. Plane means the very good example of plane is the surface of your book or the surface of the table. This is called the plane. So a flat surface is called the plane. Okay, so a plane has a fixed boundary. No, a plane doesn't have a fixed boundary because it extend itself infinitely in all the directions. So that is why this statement is also false. Okay. Question 4 and the last question of this exercise. So this is question number 4, part A, and to the question is asking you to count and name the line segment in each of the following figure. So we have to count and name. This is point A, this is B, this is point C, this is D point, this is point E, this is F, this is G, this is H. Okay, so we have to count the number of line segments. So this is line segment number 1, this is line segment number 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. How many lines means are there? Line segment. Okay, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. So you will write there are 8 line segments. Remember, these are not lines, these are line segments. Okay, line segments, there are 8 line segments. And what are the names? The first line segment is AB and the second one is BC. So write commas and keep writing the name or names of line segment. Then the next is CD, then DE, then EF. Okay, EF. And then the next one, which is GF or FG. You can write GF or FG both. Then the next is GH. Then the next is AH or HA. Okay, this is GH, right? GH and then AH. Okay, don't write, if you are writing AB, so write AB, don't write A comma B. दो letters के बीच में comma नहीं लगाते हैं. ठीक है, first we'll write AB, this is a line segment AB, then write a comma, then write BC. Okay, in this way. And the next question you will do on your own, the part B of question number 4. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.